Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe nje laphana ukuthi uma kuthi usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi leli-ke wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase, ungaphumi ungacindezelanga-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli ukuze ukwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiza nazo ngikufakela zona kulona-ke ikhasi leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke la kulethele inkulumo kaBaba uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke edlulisa inkulumo-ke ebalulekile-ke laphana kumalunga-ke eqembu-ke ase-Rustenburg njengoba-ke kuzobe kuvotwa-ke laphana-ke kuma-BI elections-ke laphana. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi uningizwe ngempela nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke uyizwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela phela sizwele-ke le video ngene-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalokho udaba-ke lolu-ke bese wenze kulungile nje ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke likhona ukwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiza nazo ngikufakela kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke le awuyithokozele.
Comrades of Ward 45 in Rustenburg, I would like to thank you for the work you have done there by having that place under our own comrade. Continue also, but also you must spread and encourage others from other areas, because Umkhonto weSizwe must take the country in the next elections so that we can free ourselves from oppression of many centuries. Please, I am also going to come to visit you, to come and thank you very closely for when we are together of the good job that we've done. You have a very good leadership indeed. Thank you very much.